good. It is done. Welcome back to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. We are about to cook it up. First, I would like to apologize for not showing you the first part. I lost my clip to this video. You can see there, I had marinated this goat overnight, or you can marinate it for a few hours. You marinate it, put in some onion, fresh ginger, cut as much onion and as much ginger as you can, and put some baby mustard, or you can use soy sauce to brown it a little bit, and just mix it up and put it in the refrigerator. Use the bowl or use the plastic bag. As you can see, I use that. So let's get to it. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Press that notification bell and like. And let's get to it. Don't be like me. Next time, make sure when you go and buy the goat meat, ask them to cut it in smaller pieces. You know why? Because it will quicker. It will cook quicker. You know, it won't take too long. You can see those are big chunks. They are huge. So I'll do better next time. The idea here is just to brown it. You know, browning it produces that great flavor and that nice color to our stew. We're gonna cook it in the crock pot, so let's not cook it too long here. Let's not brown it too long. Using the same pan, you're gonna add back the same onions and put a little bit of ginger and those bell peppers and salt and saute them. We're gonna be adding all this mixture back into the crock pot so it can cook with the oxtail. Mix it all up and cover. Okay, I'm gonna check this out after 3 hours. I put some green onion, some scallions, and now I'm going to put some potato. Just made one potato, so we're gonna put this just for the last hour. Right now it's looking delicious. It's definitely cooked now, just the way I like it, falling off the bone.